China on edge, typhoon. Tapa returns with force and turns Henan into an ocean typhoon. Tapa, thought to have weakened, has reawakened with devastating fury, battering Henan province and leaving behind an apocalyptic landscape. Entire streets were transformed into overflowing rivers, while historic bridges collapsed under the pressure of the water. Entire neighborhoods were submerged, with homes, cars, and businesses swept away like toys. Authorities report thousands of evacuees and warn that the electrical and transportation infrastructure is on the verge of collapse. Schools and hospitals were flooded, forcing doctors and teachers to improvise emergency shelters. Images shared on social media show harrowing scenes. Families fleeing with what little they could salvage, elderly people trapped on rooftops, and helicopters rescuing people from collapsed roofs. Chinese meteorologists are calling this episode a monstrous rebirth of the typhoon, which defies all predictions. The water level continues to rise, and the government has declared a maximum alert, recognizing that millions of people could be at risk if the rains do not stop soon. Henan, China's cultural and industrial heartland, is currently under a deluge that many are already calling the country's great onshore tsunami.